Do you want to be the most sought after nail technician in your community? Becoming part of the elite group of nail technicians who share the desire to meet the needs of their communities, deliver timely, thorough services with the best outcome to ensure happy returning clients is how you accomplish that goal. The Global Meticulous Manicurist Online Nail Academy develops the skills of nail technicians all over the world by distributing online courses in all aspects of nail technology. I know I'm known for dramatic transformations on YouTube, but 90% of my client base is problem-free, and I can teach you how to build a business to make over $100,000 a year. Clients are searching for you on the Global Meticulous Manicurist Network map. So take advantage of this 3-day sale and take your career to the next level. This course doesn't only consist of taking care of difficult toenails. It teaches you every aspect of building a successful business, plus techniques to work on every client who walks in your door. Certificates are also issued for electric file training and acrylic nails courses and more. And most states you can even use the course for CEUs. So go to academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com for the 3-day Black Friday special to get $100 off your course purchase plus a $183 customized pedicure kit. You can recoup your investment in the first month, you can 10 times your investment in the first quarter, and you can 40 times your investment in the first year. And yes, it has been done. And every graduate of the course says that the education they learned exceeded their expectations and changed their career. New nail techs, this course will start your career on the right path. Even seasoned and experienced nail techs of 20 plus years rave about what they learned. Email me if you have any questions, Lori@themeticulousmanicurist.com, and go to academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com to get started. I'll see you soon.